Asylum Design.
I'm Alex.
And we have your finished clear acrylic pedestal here. Can you read the dimensions for me, Alex?
We have 15 by 15 and 30 tall.
Awesome, which is exactly what your paperwork says, so it checks out. Also, there's this brown contact paper on it here, but you can pull it off once you receive it. We just leave it on during shipping to prevent any scratches or issues like that. Included with your pedestal is this lovely little cleaning kit. It has directions and a microfiber rag. Microfiber rag also prevents scratches much more than paper towels, so we recommend using that. Along with any ammonia-free cleaning products, we like Windex, but whatever you like to use is totally fine. We also would love to see a photo or video of what you place on top of your lovely pedestal. It's always great to know what you end up using it for. We love seeing it. We show it to our friends here, and they admire your artwork or whatever it is you're placing on it. I don't know, maybe a palm tree in Florida you're going to place on the pedestal. Speaking of which, it is going to your address on 54th Street in Miramar, Florida. Should be shipping today, so you'll be receiving that shortly. And I think that's all. Awesome. Thank you for your business. Enjoy your pedestal.